Hi! In front of me is ZTE Blade V40S, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off automatic text correction on this ZTE. First of all, open Settings and scroll all the way down. Then click on System and Update. Finally, select Languages and Input. And over here, click on Current Keyboard to make sure that keyboard is on. Then click on On-Screen Keyboard. Now you need to select keyword at the top and tap on Text Correction. Finally, scroll down just a bit and click on this switcher next to autocorrection. As you can see, after that, automatic text correction is disabled, but you can always enable it by tapping on the same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!